Good morning, Amanda. How are you? In today's class, I'm going to tell you a short story, and after that, I'll ask you a few questions about it. Are you ready?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm excited to hear the story. I'm ready.
Last year, I went on a wonderful trip to the beach in Maceió, Brazil. I stayed in a very nice hotel on the 10th floor. The hotel was very cozy and it had a beautiful view of the sea. Every morning, I could see the ocean from my window. It was amazing. The beach I visited is called Ipioca. It's a very beautiful and clean beach. The water is warm and perfect for swimming. The sun was shining and the weather was so good. I spent a lot of time in the sea and I really enjoyed it. At the hotel, we had breakfast every day. They gave us delicious food. Tapioca, which is a traditional Brazilian food made from cassava flour, and omelets with ham and cheese. There are also many fresh fruits like papaya, pineapple, and bananas. The food was great, and I love starting the day with such a nice meal. For lunch and dinner, I ate a lot of fish and shrimp. They served the fish grilled, and the shrimp was very tasty. It was a very traditional meal in Maceió. One of the best parts of my trip was the dessert. After the meal, I had some amazing desserts: tapioca ice cream, cocada, and cartola. Cartola is a typical dessert from the region. It's made with fried bananas, cheese, sugar, and cinnamon. It's so delicious. After eating, I went to the beach again. I drank cold coconut water from a coconut. It was very refreshing and perfect for the hot day. The people in Maceió are very friendly and welcoming. They are always smiling and happy to help tourists. I felt very at home there. In the afternoons, I also spent some time at the hotel pool. The pool was very big and clean. I swam there and relaxed in the water. It was so nice to relax after a long day at the beach. The whole trip was wonderful. I loved the beach, the food, and the people. It was a great experience, and I want to go back someday. Now, can you please give me a summary of the story? What did you remember and write down? Please tell me the important things you understood about the story.
Okay, so last year you went to Maceió, to Ipioca Beach. You stayed in a nice hotel with a view of the sea. The water at the beach was very good, very warm, and you swam a lot. You ate fish, shrimp, tapioca ice cream, cocada, and cardola. You said the food was really good. The people in Maceió are very friendly and they gave you coconut water. It was cold. You stayed at the hotel and had breakfast with fruits, omelets with cheese and ham. You also swam in the pool. It was a nice trip, and you liked it very much.
Great job. You understood the main points of the story. Now, can you tell me some words or expressions that you wrote down? Words that you understood and that you think are important for the story?
I wrote down beach, water, fish, shrimp, coconut water, tapioca ice cream, people, friendly, pool.
Good job. Those are all great words. Now, let's check some of the grammar. I noticed you said the teacher went to Maceió, to the Ipioca beach. In English, we don't need the before beach. It should be, she went to Maceió, Ipioca beach.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
You're welcome. And also, you said she stayed in a nice hotel with a view of the sea. This is correct, but we could also say she stayed in a very nice hotel on the 10th floor with a view of the sea. This part is important because you're talking about the 10th floor, not just the hotel in general.
Right, I forgot the 10th floor part. Thanks.
You're doing great. Now, let's talk about something else. Have you ever been to Maceió?
Yes, I already went to Maceió. It was a beautiful place. I stayed in a hotel in front of the beach. I went to Ponte Verde Beach, not Ipioca Beach. It was amazing. The beach is so clean, and the people are so kind. I ate a lot of fish and shrimp, and I drank a lot of coconut water. The food was delicious.
Sounds wonderful. What did you do in Maceió?
I walked in the beach, I swam in the water. I also ate many typical foods like tapioca, and I tried the dessert cardola. I really liked the cardola, it was sweet and delicious.
That's great. I can tell you had a really nice time. But I noticed a few things with the verbs. You said, I already went to Maceió. In this case, because you're talking about the past, we use the past simple. So, you should say, I went to Maceió. You don't need already here.
Understood. I went, not I already went.
Exactly. And you also said, I stayed in a hotel in front of the beach. This is correct. But remember, in English, we say in front of when something is near or facing something. But for the beach, you can also say, I stayed in a hotel facing the beach. This sounds more natural.
Facing the beach, okay.
Yes, very good. Now, I noticed you used some wrong verb tenses. For example, you said, I walked in the beach. Remember, when you say the beach in English, you don't need it. We just say, I walked on the beach.
Oh, so I should say, I walked on the beach?
Exactly, well done. And you said, I swam in the water. This is good, but the more natural way is I swam in the sea. We usually call the water at the beach the sea.
In the sea? Okay, got it.
Great job. You're improving a lot. Just remember with the verbs, I went, I stayed, I walked, and I swam. These are all in the past tense, so you don't need to use the present tense when talking about a trip you did in the past.
Thank you. I'll practice more.
You're doing really well. Keep practicing, and soon you will speak even better. I'm sure you'll have even more trips to talk about in the future.